Andrew here guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Git on Windows 11. Now before you install this, you want to first check if Git is already installed on your Windows PC. And in order to test this, simply click the Windows key on your keyboard or taskbar and type CMD. Go ahead and open up the command prompt, right? Once this is open, simple type git, right? Hit enter and you will see if it's installed or not. And as you can see, Git is not installed on my computer at this moment. So let's go ahead and close this for the time being and install Git. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply go ahead and open up my browser here and simple type git, right? Hit enter, you will see the official Git website first in the search result there. Just go ahead and click on that and go to the website. Now you can see here from this website towards the right hand side, you see a little computer screen. It says download for Windows. Go ahead and click on that download for Windows button. Now you have a few options. You have portable, standalone, right? You want to go ahead and choose the standalone installer. Now if you're using Windows 11, most likely your computer is a 64-bit, so you want to go ahead and check and install the correct bit one for your computer. So for my computer, it's 64-bit. I'm going to go ahead and install this. If you don't know how to determine if your computer is 64-bit, it's pretty easy. You can simply click the Windows key again and type in system info and you will find system information. You can click in that and here you can see on the system type if you have a 64-bit PC or 32-bit PC. It's very easy to find. Follow the step and you will know it. Now, once you know that, go ahead and click the 64-bit for Windows setup and it will quickly download for you depending on the speed of your computer. Now, let me go ahead and find that. It's currently in my download folder and all you have to do is just double click and run this installer, right? You'll get a pop-up, simple click yes, and you want to go ahead and proceed with the installation. Now, all you have to do now, let me go ahead and we're finished with this website, so we can close that. All you have to do, click next and follow. You just need to click next, choose the path, leave it as is, click yes, and just simple select next. You don't need to actually change anything here. Just click next to install everything. It's already set for you. Don't need to change any single thing, but just install it. Right now, allow that to install. It might take a minute or less, depending on how fast your computer is, but just go ahead and allow the installation to complete. Now, once the installer is complete, go ahead and click on finish. And you can go ahead and you can close this window that pops up here. Now, all you have to do now, guys, simply click the Windows key on your keyboard again or on your taskbar and simple type CMD. Go ahead and open the CMD. And if you type Git again, hit enter, you will see that Git is now installed on your Windows 11 PC. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.